Hi family, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I use these powerful herbs to make my hair growth oil. If you are experiencing hair thinning, hair loss, hair breakage, scalp issues, etc., then you might want to consider watching this video to see how you can make your very own powerful hair growth oil to tackle those issues. If you use this consistently, you are definitely going to see results. I'm pretty sure majority of you have used these herbs. However, if you haven't, I'm here for you, sis. I'm here to show you how you can use these herbs to tackle all those things that you don't want for your hair. All right, family, so I have gathered all of my herbs. I have my rosemary leaves, my black seeds, cloves, bay leaves, fenugreek seeds, and my green tea leaves. I'm going to be transferring all of my herbs into the pot, and I will be adding my oils to the pot as well. I use 2 tablespoons of each herbs, 5 bay leaves, 5 to 6 bay leaves, and for my oils, I use 1 cup of the almond oil, 1 cup of the grapeseed oil, and a half cup of olive oil. All right, family, I have all of the herbs in the pot. Now it's time to add in the oils. As I said, 1 cup of the grapeseed oil, 1 cup of the almond oil, and a half cup of my olive oil. When I'm done adding the oils, I'm going to transfer this to the stove top, and that is going to sit there on medium heat. Make sure to attend to your oil while it sits on the stove top. That way your herbs doesn't burn or it doesn't overcoat. All right, family, keep watching. All right, guys, it has been a little over 20 minutes. Now my oil has cooled down. It is time to transfer the oil into my mason jar. This is optional. You don't have to do this. I just wanted mine to sit overnight. All right, so I'm going to allow this to sit for 24 hours before straining the oils. You can proceed to strain the oils and then adding in the rest of your ingredients if you have any ingredients left. However, I wanted mine to sit overnight, so I'm going to transfer mine into a jar, and I'm going to find a cool place to let it sit for 24 hours. So I started off by transferring the oil from the pot directly to the jar, and as you all can see, it didn't work. So I grabbed me a spoon, to transfer the oil to the jar. So make sure you do that. That way you don't waste your oil. This oil is very powerful. You don't want to waste it. All right, family, so it is the next day, and this is how my oil looks. Now we are going to, let me shake this up a little bit. So let's go strain the oil, okay? And then we're gonna add the essential oils and the vitamin E oil. Yeah. All right, family, the oil is ready. Not yet, almost ready, but look how rich that looks. I'm going to be transferring my oil into these bottles I got off Amazon. I know some of you have asked, where did you get your bottles? Yeah, I got these bottles off Amazon. These are the 4-ounce bottles. You can check on Amazon, and they were pretty affordable. Yeah, go ahead and check on Amazon. They have the 2 ounces bottle as well. So family, I have 2 more ingredients to add to this oil, and then my oil is ready to be used. So my 2 last ingredients are my tea tree oil and my vitamin E oil. This oil is very, very powerful. As I said, this is going to tackle hair issues like hair loss, thinning hair, hair breakage, scalp issues, all of those things. I have my bay leaf. Bay leaf helps to regrow your hair. It treats issues scalp. It also helps tackle hair fall, and bay leaf also helps with fungal infection on your scalp. Then you have the black seed. Black seed is very, very powerful. It is one of the best natural remedies for hair, as it contains almost everything you need to nourish and maintain your hair. Black seed also stimulates hair growth, and it promotes blood circulation. Then I have my rosemary. Rosemary is also great for hair growth as well. It increases blood flow to your hair follicles, which increases the delivery of oxygen and nutrients, promoting hair growth. Rosemary controls dandruff. It limits premature growing of the hair. It enhances the shine of your hair, and studies have shown that rosemary is very effective when it comes to hair regrowth. Alright family, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of the vitamin E oil to each bottle. The vitamin E oil helps prevent hair loss. It improves blood circulation as well. It helps to make your hair shine, and it promotes a healthy scalp. So family, if you are loving this video so far, please do me a favor, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. All right, sharing is caring. Share this to your neighbor, share this to your friend, your co-worker, your loved one. Just go ahead and share the video if you find this video helpful, or if you know anyone that is struggling with these hair issues. All right family, so now I have my oil here. It is ready. Thank you all for stopping by today. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already to join this family. It is absolutely free. Thank you all again for stopping by. Wish you all a very, very blessed weekend, and I'll see you all in the next one. Love you guys. Be blessed. Bye.